The Switchback turn signal conversion kit is a great option for the 2015 to 2017 S550 owners out there that want to get away from having a stock amber exterior lighting and would like a more custom, brighter white LED lighting setup. The stock amber bulbs can give a boring, stock, and unappealing look, so changing up the exterior lighting can really go a long way for the S550. The install for this is very easy. It's a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter, and it's all plug and play. This is a very simple kit that can provide some appearance changes, but what does it do? To put things simply, this kit will change the running light on the front end to a cool white LED bulb. So this means white LEDs for the running and parking lights, but when you activate your turn signals or your hazard lights, the LEDs will change to amber. For those of you that want to keep the white lights at all times, sorry to tell you, but you can't do that. The kit changes the light color back to amber because any other color happens to be illegal and dangerous. So the kit gives an easy way to have some nicer white lighting with the parking and the running lights when you can, but keeps you safe and legal with an amber turn signal and hazard lighting all at the same time. So you can have the best of both worlds. Keep in mind that the amber lighting will still be LED lighting, which is going to be brighter and have a nicer look than the factory amber bulbs. It kind of goes without saying, but the LED bulbs are going to be brighter than your factory lighting in both white and amber color, like I just mentioned. So they're going to improve lighting along with the appearance. This can be considered a mod that has both form and function, and it's going to work with all S550 Mustangs, from the EcoBoost all the way up to the GT350 models. One thing to note though would be that it'll probably look and work best with a clear turn signal housing. If you have any tint on there, you won't be seeing as bright of a light, but at the end of the day, it's always going to be your call. As far as price, you're looking at spending just over $70 for this kit, which isn't a bad deal at all, considering this kit comes complete with a pair of 2 switchbacks for the front turn signal bulbs and a pair of 2 white front side marker bulbs. And it's also a 100% plug and play kit, which makes for a very easy install. Plug and play means no cutting, splicing, or even any resistors required, so the install doesn't get any easier here. You're looking at a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter, and you can figure on spending about 15 minutes to get the install completed. All that you're going to do for the install is swap the factory bulbs with the LED bulbs that are in this kit. You can get to the bulbs through the fender liner if you turn the wheel and use a pry tool to get the push pins out. Just peel the fender liner back some and reach through to your bulbs. There's no need to drop the whole front fascia. And I mentioned that you won't need a resistor with this kit. That's because the circuitry of the S550 was redesigned. You won't need a resistor to slow the turn signal blinking rate. The exterior turn signal will blink at the same speed as they did before, but you will notice that the interior dash indicator will blink at a different rate. It'll be blinking faster, but your actual turn signal will not be blinking at this rate. That's going to wrap things up for the Switchback turn signal conversion kit, and you can check it out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.